Morning students, and welcome in our grammar online class. In previous video we have seen bit C, that is of lesson number 7, nouns, common nouns. Okay, so previous lesson we have seen about common nouns. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 8, nouns, proper nouns. So see, so you are well known with the nouns. Like noun is a naming word, and proper noun means a noun which refers specific to person, place or thing is called as proper noun. So first of all I will read some rules and definition of proper noun and I will explain you. Okay, so listen me carefully. Proper nouns refer to specific persons, places or things. They always have capital letters. Proper nouns can be made up of 2 words or more. Proper nouns also include days of the week, months of the year, festivals, lakes, rivers, mountains, etc. Examples: David and Peter are my best friends. David and Peter are nouns, but they are the names of particular people. Paris is the capital of France. Paris and France are nouns, but they are the names of a particular city and country. My grandparents live in Castle Road. Castle is the name of a particular road. So see students, proper nouns. What proper noun means? A particular or specific name of, like if we talk about a boy, so boy may be any boy, so the boy is a common noun. But if we talk about a particular boy, if a boy has a name like Sonu, Monu, Tonu, whatever it may be, so Sonu is a boy, means what happened, Sonu, we have given a name to that boy, so we are talking about particularly one boy, that is Sonu, so it means Sonu is a proper noun. Okay, so proper noun always talks about specific, means particularly about one person. Okay. What is the first rule for the proper nouns? Proper nouns are written in the capital letter. It means while you are writing a name of any person, place or thing, so what you have to do, you have to write first letter in capital and rest of the letters you can write in the small letters. Okay, so this is how proper nouns are written. Proper noun may be of 2 words or more. 2 words or more, like maybe like Lal Bahadur Shastri Primary School. So see, in this you can see that Lal is also an proper noun, Bahadur is also a proper noun, Shastri is also a proper noun. So while writing these 3 names, what you will do, first letter you will write in capital and the rest of the letter you will write in the small. So this is more words also. So students, which nouns comes in the proper noun? So days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, these all are the proper nouns. Means while you are writing the days of the week, you have to write its first letter in capital and rest of the letters you can write in small. Okay, months of the year like January, February, festivals, you know, many festivals like Holi, Diwali and etc. These are some festivals. Lakes means name of the lakes, like or Lonar Sarovar Lake. So these are some names of the lakes. Rivers like Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, these are the names of the river. So while you are writing the names of this river, so like Ganga river, so Ganga is a name of the river, so Ganga becomes noun. Okay, so while writing the name of that Ganga river, you have to write the capital and rest of the spelling you can write in small. So let's see some examples on depending on the proper noun. For example, see, David and Peter are my best friends. So David is a name of a boy and Peter is also a name of a boy. So these 2 are my best friends. So in this, David and Peter are name of the boy. That's why David and Peter are proper noun. Why? Because they are talking about particular some person. David is also a boy and Peter is also a boy. So we are talking about 2 different boys. Okay, so David and Peter becomes here proper noun. Let's see the next example. Paris is the capital of France. So see, Paris is name of a city and France is a country's name. So that's why here Paris and France is a proper noun. Okay, next, we can take one more example, like Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is a name of state and Mumbai is a name of city. So Mumbai is a proper noun and Maharashtra is also proper noun. See, next example. My grandparents live in Castle Road. So as you can see, castle and road, these are the two proper nouns. So see that proper noun may be of two or more words. So as we can see here the Castle Road means here a proper noun is of two words, that is castle and road. So my grandparents live in Castle Road. So Castle Road is talking about particularly a road. That's why here the Castle Road is proper noun. I will tell you a sentence. You just guess what is a proper noun in that sentence. Okay. I live in Basmat. So what is the proper noun in this sentence? Yes, that is Basmat. Why? Because Basmat is a particular name of a city. Yes, very good. So I hope you all have understood. So see you in the next video. Bye.